Tesla has dropped 3% today, August 9. And many people are asking us, will Tesla continue to drop, or will they bounce back up from this current support level that we're currently at, the 240? So, as usual, the unusual options will help us determine where Tesla will be going. So let's get right to the analysis. We have a lot of unusual options today. However, the most significant that we detected was this one here, the 3,250. These are done at 1220. You can see that here. The 260 strike puts, the 250 strike calls, and the 250 strike puts for the Septembers. So what's happening? We believe they are closing the 260 strike puts. They're selling these to take their profits because we are now under 260. So they're quite profitable. And they're opening a new trade here for the September 15s, the 250s, calls and puts. So what are they doing? For the September 15s, we can see here that even though the open interest is greater on both the put side and also the call side, we believe they are actually opening this trade based on some other data that we analyze as well. We believe they are selling the 250 strike puts and buying the 250 strike calls. And when you analyze this trade, you can see that this is a synthetic long position with a positive 100 delta. So this is bullish and going long on Tesla. And when we take a look at the value, because they sold the 250 strike price puts, there was essentially means they're willing to own 100 shares at 250. So that's multiplied by 100. 25,000 is the buying power per contract for selling that put that's naked. Since they did 3,250, this was $81.2 million. That's how much capital is required to put on this trade here, because they had to sell a cash secured put here, okay, at the 250 strike price. So this is a large investor with that much capital, okay? So based on this data, we believe Tesla will be coming back up, okay? And keep in mind that because there is a lot of data, I can see here, as we were discussing earlier, when the open interest is greater than the volume, sometimes they could be closing orders. So the data is not always as clear when you analyze stocks that have a lot of volume being traded on a day-to-day basis. And that's why using this strategy on other stocks is a lot more accurate than stocks like Tesla, because there's a lot of data coming in, and so the data then does not become as clear as other stocks with lower volume, where you can see very clearly and we can analyze what exactly is this large investor doing. And so if you are interested in other stocks to diversify your portfolio, to maximize your profit, make sure to join our membership where we share exclusive videos on other stocks besides Tesla. And that's how we are very profitable. If you've been following this channel, you know that. And if you are one of our members, you also know that as well. All right. Take care, everybody, and smash that like button as usual.